In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Motorola. Begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for Autorotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that Autorotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same one again. If you wish to, you can always go into Settings, scroll down and click on Display section. Now scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Autorotate screen to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!